So it's later in the evening, but I can still do some maintenance on my trees. For some reason, the week these guys came inside, I discovered they had bugs, spider mites. I want to say it's spider mites because you can see actual webbing. But at this point, you're just gonna pick that off right there. I am using insecticidal soap, so hopefully that'll help. But you can see, I don't know if you can see, the little bit of sap there. They are definitely being attacked. I did go ahead and trim off the 2 lower branches. I will clip that one too. And then this guy, I'm gonna clip the lower branches as well. And you can see he's kind of mopey. He's lost leaves. There, I don't know if you can make it out, is an example of the webbing. It hasn't reached over to my pepper plants yet, but I'm gonna do some trimming up of these dead leaves. This banana pepper has a ton of flowers. I'm really happy with it. This one is coming along slower. I think what I'm gonna do is maybe chop off this branch, get a little bit more concentrated in the middle, and I'll probably do the same with that one and that one, but I'll update you in just a second. So here is everything I just trimmed off. The majority of this were hiding in my pepper plants, and that's not gonna come to anything. It's just wasting my plant's energy on those. I trimmed the bottom off of the citrus tree, so I got rid of all those little sprouts, and the same with the kumquat. Didn't trim this one up because every branch is producing, but he's a little thinner, a little more streamlined, and so is he, and so is he. I do have another bell pepper on there, but he was the only one. Everything else are buds, so I'm pretty happy with that. I was going ahead and cleaning out some of these debris out of the bottom. As you can see, something's going on with my soil. I did get the soil from outside where they were already in the ground. So I'm gonna look that up really quick and I'll let you know what's going on with that. It's like a white film on top. You can see it right there. This is that little fig tree. It is still alive. Just barely, you can see fresh green bud there. Something funky is going on with this potted plant. I think it's time for some fresh soil. So I will probably be making a trip to the store very soon to freshen him up and probably top these guys up as well. Okay, so I just did a little research and it's what I suspected. The white growing on top of my houseplants is some mold, most likely because we were out of town for several days and I did not have auto lights. So the low light and the moist soil went ahead and caused some mold. It's not gonna hurt the plant, but it is an indicator that the conditions aren't quite right, excuse me. Basically, sunlight or my lamp here will get rid of it. If it's that bad, I can take the top layer off and put some soil on there. Overall, I'm not concerned because the soil is damp, so we just kind of need to dry it out a little bit and the mold will kill off and it's not dangerous to us. So yeah, otherwise they're doing great, and that is the update for this evening. I do have plans to put together a new shelf that I purchased and start growing some seedlings, most likely some lettuce over the winter, but I have to get my Christmas decorations out first before I do that. Alrighty guys, well have a great night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.